I'm Anil Kumar, and in these set of videos we'll try to understand how to match graph with its equation. That's a multiple choice question, and we'll see which strategies work for us. Now this one here has a graph with two vertical asymptotes, right? So the one is here, the other one is at this place. So the vertical asymptotes are at -3 and +3. So that means the denominator should be 0 for plus and -3. Now which one is the right option? So if I x square minus 9 will give us denominator as 0 for plus and -3. So that is good option. This will not give us. This will also give us, right? 9 minus 9 will be 0. So we are left with two options. Now out of these two options, which one is correct? How to find that? Now the best way to find that is to find the y-intercept, right? So first we check the vertical asymptotes and then we check y-intercept. I'm actually trying to give you good ways of matching the two. So y-intercept is negative. We don't even have to calculate how much it is. That means x equals to 0, y is negative. Out of these two, if I write 0 here, I get -1 over -9, which is positive, so this is not the answer. If I write 0 here, I get -1 over 9, which is negative. So that makes our job simpler, and that is the right option. So that is how we can quickly get our answer, and I hope these strategies will help you. So I have a couple of videos here lined up for you. All have different kinds of graphs, and if you go through them, you will be in a good position to understand, to begin with, how to relate equations with the graph. Thank you.